Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Crown by Des, and as y'all read by the title, we are doing a frontal wig install. This wig, I did get it off Amazon, and it will be linked down below in the description box, as well as all the products that I did use.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Alright guys, so we're coming up on the final look. I decided to go ahead and do a side part with some wine curls, and now I'm just using a Y2 comb just so I could kind of comb those curls out a little bit so it's not so tight. Again, this wig is from Amazon and is linked down below in the description box. It is a 13x4 frontal wig in the style body wave, and it's 18 inches. I've been wearing this wig for about a week now, and I would say it does shed a little bit, but nothing too crazy. All the products that I use will be down below in the description box. I do want to say thank you guys for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. We reached it a few months ago and it didn't go unnoticed, so thank you guys for that. And if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away.